So today is the week of the same week where I went to At Home and got all of those vases for the low, and I just recently got back from TJ Maxx, so I just want to show you guys like a quick haul. So that has already been organized as a part, I've already put it to use as a part of my pantry organization in the video, but that is an item that I got from TJ Maxx, and it didn't come with the label on it. I put the label on it just like I did for the other items, but essentially that is one of the items that I got from TJ Maxx. And actually I don't like this lighting. So I picked up this mason jar from TJ Maxx, and primarily because it was $3.50. I don't know what it was originally, but what I do know is that for $3.50, I feel like this is something that I can use. I can put sugar in it or something like that, which I may do, or I may, well, when I bought it, I kind of had putting it in my office in mind. But anyway, this is one of the items that I picked up from TJ Maxx. Also, I picked up this 2-pack tempered glass because my screen has scratches on it, and I'm pretty sure my husband's probably does too. We have the same phone, so that's why I picked up this one, so he can have one and I can have one. I also picked up a phone holder that you put in your vent, so that's one of the items that I've already used. Another one of the items that I've already used. I picked up this sink mat, which I really love it. It is by iDesign. It was $2.99. Also picked up this toilet bowl cleaner. As you guys know, we pay some girls in the mentor group that I'm a part of money to clean our home as a way to earn money. One of them actually has been applying for jobs, but the other one actually is not old enough. So this is kind of like a way for her to earn money. So anyway, I noticed that we were low on the toilet bowl cleaner, so I picked up some toilet bowl cleaner for them. Also, I picked up this linen spray. Not linen spray, it's bathroom spray. And the scent is fresh lemon, and it was $3.99. That is stuff for Valentine's Day. I also picked up this piece, which I think is going to look so great in my office. I am going for black, white, those colors, silver, platinum, chrome, and gold. So super excited about that. This was $7.99, which is a little on the pricey side, but whatever. And then I wanted to get another piece for the other shelving unit because I have two, and I have been getting some pieces the same. Like I bought 2 of each of those, but I figured I mean obviously you don't want both of the pieces, both of the shelving units to have the exact same stuff on it. So I picked up this for the other shelving unit, and it is $5.99. They did have 2 of those, but like I said, I didn't want like the exact same stuff. Also, I actually picked up this at TJ Maxx for $2.49. I am going to Maryland this weekend for my friend's birthday, and she is having like a bad and bougie theme, which I have been helping her plan for the trip. And I just felt like this, like there's going to be a bartender there and a whole bunch of other fancy stuff. So I felt like this really spoke to me for her and her birthday. So whereas I was going to give her one of the ugly cards that I have in my office, I'm going to give her this one because it looks really good. I also picked up some sponges. Again, the girls and I have been struggling trying to figure out where the sponges have been going. So I picked up these, and I believe they are natural. Or maybe I made that up. There was some natural ones. Maybe I didn't get them. Either way, these were $4.99. Then I picked up some dryer balls, allegedly for $4.99. Allegedly, it'll help you save energy and reduce the time that your dryer is running and all of that. So I'm going to put this upstairs. I'm actually going to be organizing the, what do you call it? The bathroom? No, the laundry room. Also, I picked up these oh my gosh. Also, I picked up these microfiber cloths, and this is for cleaning stainless steel and polishing. I feel like this will be good for the girls. I mean, for everybody to have, but specifically for the girls, since they charge an arm and a leg. And these were $3.99. And then I meant to tell you that when I was at that one store where I bought this the other day on Friday. So I went shopping Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today's Sunday. I picked up this, and it is a coaster. So I think it looks kind of cool. You want to put your drink on there? Can you put your drink on here? Oh, yeah. So I can ensure that this is as cool as I think it is. Not that it matters because you can't take it back. Yeah, I love that. That's going to go in my office because
I feel kind of iffy about that one.
That's going to go in my office.
It has a dip in the middle of it.
Yeah, it is a little interesting.
It's kind of scary putting something on it.
Also, you guys, from that same store, they just have a bunch of stuff. I picked up this Sigma brush, which is a concealer brush, and it's pointed like a pyramid type of situation, so you can really get in there and conceal and highlight under your eye.
Can you get a second?
What?
Alright, I need you to do whatever you do and just add some background music and I'm good. That's good to go.
Okay. What you about to do?
Go to my man cave.
What are we eating for dinner? I was gonna say wings from Zaxby's.
That worked.
Okay, hold on. The last part of my haul is I bought all of these. So I was just gonna purchase like one or two, but I was like, my luck, I'm gonna like want them all and I'm not gonna be able to go back and find them, so I just bought all 4 of them. So this is what they look like, and my goal is to put these in our pantry. Like I said, I'm going to be organizing our pantry. Right now it's not really doing it for me, so I'm going to be using these to organize. And of course I'll use like these little labels and stuff like I use for the pantry. Did I say pantry? I meant laundry room. I'm going to use these for the laundry room. So that's pretty much the haul and everything that I purchased from the past few days. And I really love all of the pieces that I have. It's a little out of control, but I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting up these items, and I'll check back in with another haul. Shouldn't be one this week because I'm going out of town, but probably will be one when I get back. Bye. As you can see, we have successfully put together this chair and the office table. They both are from at home, and I think we need to tighten this up a little bit. It's not like too wobbly, but honestly, when I put my rug down, I don't think you'll be able to tell at all that it's wobbly. But I really do like the chair. I'm gonna sit in it for a couple more days. The table I'm for sure keeping because that was $180, so that's a steal. But this I think was on sale for $135, and I just need to confirm that it's comfortable because I'm not paying $135 for something that's not comfortable. So this is what the office is looking like so far. Looks like a drawer. Oh yeah, take that out. Maybe take the sides out first. Here.
Let me look. Wow.
Wow.
That is
You were
cute.
wrong. I told you it wasn't white or black. Ooh, it looks good. All right, let's take it off. Whew. Okay, it is time to declutter this mess of a closet, and we have purchased these dressers from IKEA. So we are going to put my clothes in that one and my husband's clothes in this one. And we do have some organizers that we purchased from IKEA. Open that top drawer and show them that. So I'm thinking like undergarments, of course, at the top, and then shirts in the second drawer maybe, and then like shorts and sweatpants and stuff in the bottom. So, you ready? You ready to tackle this mess?
Yep.